Hello everyone, let us see next point. In last lecture we have seen this example where the second part of the example is to find out the invariant point under the transformation, this one. Okay, find the we have completed this example, the finding out the invariant points of this transformation. Okay, this bilinear transformation. Now let us see next example. Show that W is equal to I minus Z upon I plus Z. This is a one transformation. This is a relationship between W and Z planes, two planes, where W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to X plus IY. Okay, this is one transformation or mapping or maps. Show that W is equal to this maps the real axis of Z plane. Z means this plane, XY plane, our usual xy plane. Real axis means x axis. What is the equation of x axis? Y is equal to 0. But to show that under this transformation the real axis, that is x axis of z plane, maps into the circle mod w is equal to 1. This is a circle, standard circle. And the half plane y greater than 0. What is y greater than 0? This is a half plane. Half means half plane of a z. Y xy means z plane, uv means w plane. Half plane y greater than 0 into the interior of the unit circle mod w is equal to 1 in the w plane. We have to show that 2 points. Under this mapping, the real axis, that is y is equal to 0 of the z plane, maps into circle mod w is equal to 1. Okay, and the second part were to show that the half plane y greater than 0 maps into the interior part of the unit circle. Why this is unit circle? Because we know see, mod z is equal to 1 or mod w is equal to 1 are the circles. How is that? Z is equal to x plus I y, mod is equal to 1. Okay, now simplify this. What is mod value? Under root of real part square plus imaginary part square is equal to 1. Squaring both sides we get x square plus y square is equal to 1. Square is 1. This is a circle with center 0 0 and radius 1, right? And similarly mod w means u plus iv is equal to 1. Similarly solving this, u square plus v square is equal to 1 is, it is in z plane. Okay, because x and y axis are there. And it is the w plane, same circle with radius 0 0 center and radius 1, but in w plane, where in w plane u and v are the axis. Okay, and this is mod w is equal to 1 is the circle, unit circle. Unit circle means whose radius is 1, and if mod w is less than 1 means interior, this part of the circle means this. Okay, similarly mod z equal to 1 means this circle, and mod z less than 1 means interior, less than interior part of the circle. Understand? And half plane, see, y is equal to, in z plane this is a real axis, means x axis. And what is the value equation of x axis? Y is equal to 0 is the this line, and this is y axis. Positive axis start from this. Okay, that's why this upper half of this plane is nothing but y greater than 0, right? Each point having y coordinate greater than 0, obviously. That's why this half plane indicates y is greater than 0. This is called half plane. Now let us start from this. Consider mod w is equal to, either using this transformation, what is the method for this such type of questions, where we have one transformation and under that transformation is given in itself in the example, and under that transformation we have to start from this and we have to show this is real axis, or you can start from real axis and you can show that mod w is equal to 1. Now real axis means y is equal to 0. We can't start from y is equal to 0. That's why we are considering, according to our convenience, start from y mod w is equal to 1. Now mod w is equal to 1 and we have to use this information to solve this. Okay. Now consider mod w is equal to 1 where w is u plus iv, z is equal to x plus iy. What is value of w is given in the example. Put this value here. Okay, is equal to 1. Now we have to solve this, and where we have to reach the real axis means y is equal to 0 we have to reach. That means here we have to convert this variables into x and y. That's why I put z is equal to x plus iy here, both in numerator and denominator. Now simplify. Now this is minus, take inside to the bracket, remove this bracket, is equal to 1. Now to find out mod of this numerator and denominator means mod of numerator divided by mod of denominator separately. So to find out mod value we have to make this make this expression into real part plus I into imaginary part. That's why combine these two, take I common, 1 minus y is there, and this is real part minus x as it is divided by x as it is, and from this 2 I take common 1 plus y as it is. Now take separate mod of numerator divided by mod of denominator is equal to 1. Now mod value is under root minus x square, real part square plus imaginary part square, divided by again real part square plus imaginary part square is equal to 1. Now take this term on that side because it is equal to sign. Minus x square is plus x square, 1 minus y square is equal to under root 1 into this is x square plus 1 plus y square. Now from this we have to conclude one sentence. See, if these two things are equal, in root sign is same, x square is same, 1 is same, okay, just here minus y and this is plus y. To equalize these two terms, obviously this must be 0, right? Y must be 0, then and then only these two terms have to be equal. That's why from this term, otherwise put any value of y, this cannot be equal. Only for y is equal to 0 these two terms are equal. That's why from this equation we get y is equal to 0, which is the real axis or x-axis equation. This we have proved the first part of this question. Now consider the second part of this question. Under the same transaction, the half plane y greater than 0 we have to show that maps into interior part of the unit circle. What is interior part of this? A unit circle is less than 1, right? See, mod w is equal to 1 is the circle and mod w less than 1 is the interior part of the circle, inner side of the circle. That's why it is less than. Similarly, we have to start from mod of w less than 1. Already in the same example we have started mod w is equal to 1. Here only less than part is there. That's why we don't need to solve all the each term here. Just take this last step here. Just replace the equal to sign by less than sign. Okay. Therefore, mod w less than 1, that is interior part of the circle, is equal to this, less than 1. Now observe this term. This is less than this term. See, root is same, x square is same, 1 is same, only here minus y is there and here y is there. To make this term greater than this term, that means here 1 minus y should be less than 1 plus y. Removing square root, removing x square, removing square on both sides, we get this. Okay, now this removing 1 also. To find out, therefore here 1, remove 1 from both sides, we get minus y less than plus y. Now take y on this side, we get minus 2y less than 0. Product of 2 minus 2 is obviously less than 0. That's why y must be greater than 0 from these two. Okay, to make this product less than 0, okay, minus 2 is obviously less than 0. That's why y must be positive. Because if y is negative, then minus minus becomes plus, it becomes positive, which is greater than 0, which is wrong. That's why to make this product less than 0, y must be positive, that is y greater than 0. And y greater than 0 is what? This is y is equal to 0, and y greater than 0 is upper half of the this z plane. Okay, this is the upper half or half plane of the z plane, which we have proved the second part. Okay, consider next. Show that the transformation w is equal to z square. This transformation gives us w is equal to z square. Maps the circle. We have to start from this. Mod z minus 1 is equal to 1 is the circle. Maps into the cardioid. See, a row is equal, this is a row. The notation row is equal to into bracket 1 plus cos phi, where w is given a row into e raised to I phi in w plane. Okay, now start with this. Consider z is equal to x plus iy, where w is equal to u plus iv. Usual notation. You can start from this and end with this using this, or you can start from that and with this. As per our level of simplification, we can start from that term. Now consider this. This is very easy. That's why we have to start from this. Mod z minus 1 is equal to 1. Now put z is equal to x plus iy here. Minus 1 is equal to 1. Now simplify. X minus 1 is the real part plus iy is the imaginary part is equal to 1. Now take mod of this, means square root of this real number square plus imaginary number square is equal to 1. Now take square on both sides, we get x and expand this square. We get x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square is equal to 1 square this 1. 1 gets cancelled. X square minus 2x plus y square is equal to 0. Now this we simplify as per our usual notation. Now we have to use this part and we have to convert this into this part. This is, you if you observe, this is a polar form, right? Theta is there, angle is there, that's why it is a polar form. That's why you have to convert this into polar form. That is x square plus y square is equal to r square. This is, we know what is polar form of the Cartesian form. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. This is a polar form and Cartesian form relationship. And squaring both sides, we get x square plus y square is equal to r square. Cos square plus sin square is 1. Okay, using this here we get x square plus y square is equal to r square and x is equal to r cos theta. Put these values here, we get x square plus y square is r square minus 2 as it is, x is r cos theta is equal to 0. Divided by 1 r gets cancelled. R minus 2 cos theta is equal to 0. R is equal to 2 cos theta. Call that equation number 1. Okay, now this way generally we solve this by our usual earlier knowledge. Now we have to use this somewhere, that's why I start with this. Now w is equal to z square and z is equal to x plus iy. Therefore put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Take r is equal to take r common, which is cos theta plus I sin theta. R cos theta plus I sin theta, we know cos theta plus I sin theta. Now we know this is the standard result. E raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the exponential form of the polar form, okay, or Cartesian form. This is the Cartesian form, this is the polar form, this is exponential form. Now put this value here, we get r e raised to I theta. Now here z square is there, that's why take square on both sides, we get z square is equal to r square e raised to I theta bracket square means 2I theta. Okay, this is the thing. Indice raised to indice means multiplication of 2I theta. Now this is the term we have simplified. Now given w is equal to rho e raised to I phi, that's why w is equal to rho e raised to I phi. Take square on both sides, we get w square is equal to rho square e raised to 2I phi. Now start with this. W is equal to z square implies w is this as it is and z square is this. This way, no, not okay. Therefore, now comparing these two, exponential is same here. These two terms are equal. That's why rho must be equal to r square, and e raised to I phi is equal to e raised to 2I phi means this is like this. E raised to I phi is equal to e raised to 2I theta. E gets cancelled, equalize I phi is equal to 2I theta. Again I gets cancelled, phi is equal to 2 theta. Okay, that is 2 theta is equal to phi. Now put this value here. R is equal to 2 cos theta. From 1 we get to square on both sides, r square is equal to 4 cos square theta. Now we have to show this. Here 1 plus cos phi is there, that's why cos square we have to use formula 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. This is the standard formula for cos square theta. 2 gets cancelled, we get 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now what is 2 theta value? Phi. That's why rho is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus cos phi is our answer. We start from this and using this we end with this in the polar form. Okay, this is the method. Let us start next. These are very easy examples. Under the transformation w is equal to 1 upon z is given. Find the image of z minus 2I is equal to 2. This is a circle. We have to find out image of this. Okay, now start with this. Let w is equal to u plus iv, z is equal to x plus iy. Given w is equal to 1 upon z, that is z is equal to, take on this side 1 upon w. Now consider this. Mod z minus 2I is equal to 2. Simplify this. Z is equal to x plus iy minus 2I is equal to 2. Take I common, we get x plus I into y minus 2 is equal to 2. Take mod of this means under root real number square plus imaginary number square is equal to 2. Square on both sides, we get x square plus y minus 2 bracket square is equal to square is 4. Now expand this. Square a minus b bracket square x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 4. 4 gets cancelled, we get x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, this we simplify this. Now we have to use this now. Okay, call this equation number 1. Obviously this is a circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. For this consider this node. We know general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And what is the center? Minus g minus f. And what is the radius? Under root d square plus f square minus c. Using this formula, comparing this, x square plus y square, g is not there, x term is not there, that's why g is 0. That's why center is first x coordinate is 0, and minus f y term is there. That means 2f is equal to 2f is equal to here minus 4. Therefore s is equal to minus 4 by 2, this is minus 2. That's why center is minus g, that is 0, and minus f minus minus plus 2. Center. And radius is under root g square, that is 0, plus f square, that is 2 square, minus 2 square is plus 4, minus c is constant term is not there, that's why it is 0. Answer is 2, radius 2. Okay. Now consider this is now our transformation. Now using this we have to simplify some term. Z is equal to 1 upon w. Okay, we have to find out x and y from this transformation. That's why I put z is equal to x plus iy, w is equal to u plus iv. Now find out x and y, we have to multiply and divide by complex conjugate of this denominator term. What is complex conjugate of the denominator term? This is a complex number. Middle sign gets reverse. This term is called complex conjugate of this number. Okay, multiply and divide by this term, we get numerator u minus iv, denominator multiplication of this t, and a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, now again I square value is minus 1, that's why denominator becomes u square plus v square, numerator as it is. Now separate out this, we get u upon u square plus v square minus this I v upon u square plus v square. Now comparing this is one complex number and this is other complex number, because both terms contain I. Two complex numbers are equal means real part is equal, imaginary part is equal. That's why x is equal to this term. Okay, first term, and y is equal to with this sign minus v upon u square plus v square. Okay, therefore now x value, y value we are getting from this given transformation. Put this value here. Therefore equation number 1 becomes putting this value in equation number 1. This equation number 1, x square plus y square minus 4y. We get x square plus y square minus 4 into y is equal to 0. Now simplify this, whatever the answer, that will be the our question's answer, image of this term. Okay, now start. This square is u square plus v square, denominator same, u square plus v square bracket square. That's why combine the numerator, plus this minus minus plus 4v upon this square. Now 1 u square plus v square gets cancelled, 1 upon this term plus 4v upon this. Now combine the numerator, 1 plus 4v upon this term is equal to 0. Now take this term on that side, we have 1 plus 4v is equal to 0. Therefore 4v is equal to minus 1, v is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now what is this? Is the answer. It is a straight line. Image of this circle is this straight line. This is a straight line like this. In x and y plane, suppose this is 1, then this is equal to x is equal to 1. Is a straight line. This x is equal to 2. It is a straight line. Similarly, in u and v plane, this one, suppose this is 1. Okay. Suppose this is u and v. This is 1. This is u is equal to 1, is a straight line. Suppose this is v is equal to 1, is a straight line. This is 1 by 4, suppose v is equal to 1 by 4 is a straight line. In opposite side, v is equal to minus 1 by 4 is a straight line. Understand? This is the origin. That's why our answer, image of the circle is a straight line. V is equal to minus 1 by 4. You can directly write down this answer as it is. Consider next example. show that the under transformation W is equal to, this is transformation, a real axis in Z plane. Real axis means X axis. What is the equation of X axis? Y is equal to 0. Is mapped into the circle W is equal to mod W is equal to 1. This is our first question. Now second question is, which portion of Z plane corresponds to the interior part of the circle? Okay, this is the same equation, same question of this. This is the same questions. Okay, 27th. See, this is 27th example. We have already solved. Show that the under transformation is different only. Okay, real axis, the mod W is equal to 1, and second half part is also same. Okay, now consider first part. We have to show that mod W is equal to 1 maps into real axis. We have to start from this. Using this, we have to show that Y is equal to 0. Okay, real axis means X axis, and equation is Y is equal to 0. Consider mod is equal, W is equal to 1. Put W is equal to this term here is equal to 1. Put Z is equal to X plus IY. Now take real and imaginary part separately here because we have to find out mod. Okay, now this is mod is x square plus y minus 4 bracket square. This mod is this is equal to 1. Take this term on that side and simplify this. Taking square on both sides, we get this. X square gets cancelled. This we get, and from this we get square root gets cancelled. Y minus 1 is equal to y plus 1. Y gets okay. To uh, to validate this equation, y must be 0. Okay, no other y value we can put here, so that these two equations, these two terms are same. For only y is equal to 0, these two terms must be here. No, it's square only. Okay, take only this term. Okay, you don't need to this term. For this square to be true, to be equal, y must be 0. Okay, for any other value, these two terms are not equal. This is the y is equal to 0 is a real axis, that is x axis equation of. Okay, this is first part. Now what is second part? Interior part of the circle means mod W less than 0. We don't need to write down all the steps. Just take a less than here, because mod W equal to 0 equal to 1, we have started from that, and less than means just replace here less than. Okay, therefore mod W less than 1 means this. Now expand the square, we get y square minus 2y plus 1, y square plus 2y plus 1. Y square gets cancelled. 1 is same, that's why minus 2y less than plus 2y. Take minus 2y on this side, we get minus 4y less than 0. To make this product less than 0, minus 4 is always obviously less than 0. That's why y must be positive. Because of y negative, then minus minus becomes plus, which is greater than 0, which is wrong. That's why to minus 4y less than 0, we have y must be greater than 0. Y greater than 0 is upper half of the z plane. Okay, this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, now these are some homeworks for you. Find the bilinear transformations which maps the points. Z points are there, here W points are there. Answer is this. All the three examples are homework for you. For that, refer example number 26. This is example number 26, where 3 points are given of Z plane, 3 points of W planes are given. We have to find bilinear transformation. This is the only one question here. Only we have to find out bilinear transformation. Refer example number 26. Just use this as it is, okay, and find out the transformation, that is W in terms of Z. Answer is given, okay.